welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. This video will be really quick, so let's jump into it. You guys, this setup I did over the weekend, it was an outdoor setup. I pretty much prepped everything at home. This was an 18-foot garland that was able to fit in my vehicle. And when I say I did everything at home, I did everything. I added the 5 inches on. I added the floral because they wanted some gold flourishes. I did everything at home. Right here, you see me adding on some 260 Qs to the railing so I can attach the garland. And I broke it up in 3 pieces. So they were celebrating a tenure for a college nearby for I believe a professor that was there, they tenure. So I am now attaching the strips of garlands that I made. I did 3 altogether. It was an 18-foot, so I did 2 clusters of the white plus a quad, 1 cluster of the black, and 2 clusters of the maroon color plus another quad. So 5 clusters and 2 quads, which is 6 clusters altogether if you want to break it down like that. So I did 3 of these, which was 18 feet altogether. Now for my black and my white, I did add more, I guess you can say, 16-inch balloons than normal because we outdoors. The area is much bigger compared to indoors. So when I work outdoors, I do use a lot more 16-inch balloons if I can, depending on the setup. But we on a staircase, so I wanted to make sure you can actually see the dimension and size when it came to the balloons. So I did use a lot of 16-inch balloons for the black and the white. And the maroon color, I didn't have too many 16-inch balloons. And here I am adding 3 more rig points for the next set. And I didn't even attach each set. I didn't attach the garlands together. But once you put it up on the railing, it pretty much blended and it looked like they were all connected together, even though they wasn't. And this setup took me, the video actually was like 10 minutes and 39 seconds. I would just say it took less than 12 minutes to do. And then I probably spent another few minutes just getting pictures and videos, and that was done. So it was in and out. The client sent me a picture of the back of the house, the staircase, or beforehand. So all I had to do was go there. I pulled up. I knew what I had to do, and that was it. I just set it up and then I left. I love that I'm in this space now. I mean, 2 years ago, I wouldn't be able to do this, but it's crazy how things come in full circle. And it's like, okay, now I have the experience and the expertise is now paying off where I can do these kind of setups, even though I'm still spending time at home to prep, but just coming on site, sometimes I just want to get back home. So coming up with different ways on how I can be more efficient on site, and get things done as fast as possible so I can go back home really is it's really helpful. And just, I mean, time is money, so trying to figure out different techniques and strategies to get the outcome that you want, the beautiful outcome. It don't have to look rushed, but knowing what to do, when to do it, depending on the setup, is something that comes with time, experience, or learning from someone else. Just so many different factors, but it does eventually pay off. I feel like there's always every setup that I'm doing, that's one of the things I think of, like, okay, how I'm going to build my clusters for this setup. What strategy am I going to use here? Because I want to get done as fast as possible. With, I want to work smarter, not harder. So I want to get done as fast as possible without stressing myself too much and trying to prep as much as I can when doing these setups. So this is the last one I had, and like you can see, from the second and the first one, they look like they are attached, but they're not. They are 2 different pieces. They just next to each other, so of course it blends in. So this is the last one I'm putting up now. And I got the gold flourishes from Amazon. I will link the colors as well as those little things. At first I was going to add those on site, but I used those with 260s and I wrapped it around a balloon and they pretty much stayed there. So I said, I'm gonna do this at home now too. So I did everything pretty much at home. I didn't have to do nothing but put that up and that was done. And this is the final outcome, you guys. This is how everything turned out. The easiest setup I've done so far for 2024. And I'm excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.